everyone, welcome to our channel Knowledge of. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're gonna start with your reasoning, of course, and have to start with your quantitative aptitude. In that we had started with 85th classes of this session. Today we'll discuss about that. In last classes we had done your 84th classes, and in that we had even though done your 227th questions of the session as well, which is very important one, and that what we even though have to talk about it. In that in arithmetical ability, where we had started with this, in that we had done operations on numbers, LCM and SCF of numbers, decimal fractions, simplification, averages, square roots, and cube roots. Then we had done problems on numbers, problems on ages, answers and indices, and many more we had done, and this will be the 10th topic of the session of percentage. So before starting with this, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go ahead with like, share and subscribe our channel so that maximum people can get the information at once, and even you can also enjoy the video as well. So here we go ahead, and that is being the 228th question of the session. So in 228th question, so that the question we have as follows, that is your fresh fruit contains 68% water and dry fruit contain 20% water. So how much dry fruits can be obtained from 100 kg of fresh fruits here? So that what we have to talk about it. So the options we have here is 32 kg, 40 kg, 52 kg and 80 kg. That has been asked in SSC examination paper. So of course that has been the important one here. So we go ahead for the same. Fresh fruits contains 68% of water and dry fruits contain 20% water. How much dry fruits can be obtained from 100 kg of fresh fruits is being asked in SSC examination paper. So we'll go ahead for the solution here, that even though we have to talk about it. So quantity of pulp in 100 kg of fresh fruits equals to 100 minus 68% of 100 kg equals to 32 kg. Let the quantity of dry fruits obtained be x kg, then 100 minus 20% of x equals to 32. 80 upon 100, x equals to 32. X equals to 32 into 100 upon 80. 0 will cancel by 0. We get the answer 40 here. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, and then 2 6s are 12. Then 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. So 8 5s are 40 we'll get here. Now we'll go ahead for the next question, which we have as an important one. That has been 229th question of the sessions here. The question is, a large watermelon weighs 20 kg with 96% of its weight being water. It is allowed to stand in the sun, and same of the water evaporates so that only 95% of its weight is water. Its reduced weight its reduced weight will be that we have to find out. Options we have 18 kg, 16 kg, 16.5 kg, 17 and 18 kg. So we go ahead for the same. A large watermelon weighs 20 kg with 96% of its weight being water. It is allowed to stand in the sun and some of the water evaporate so that only 95% of its weight is water. So its reduced weight will be that we have to talk about it, and that has been the important one, of course. So the option 16 kg, 16.5, 17 kg and 18 kg. So for the same we have to find out here. Let the reduced weight be x kg. Weight be x kg. Clearly the quantity of pearl, clearly the quantity of pulp remains the same in both the cases. So with the same we go ahead, and that what we are solving, of course, and that has been important one here. And so the poll for the both the cases, and so we have here is 100 minus 96 percent of 20 kg, which is equals to 100 minus 95% of x kg. Okay, so 4% of 20 kg equals to 5% of x kg. So x equals to 4 upon 5 into 20 kg, which is equals to 16 kg. 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20, 4 fours are 16. So 16 kg we have as an answer here. So now we go ahead further. We will talk about it, and that has been, of course, the important one is your 230th question of the session as well. So 230th question we talk about it. 230th question we have as follows, that what we have to discuss here. That the question is, how much pure alcohol has to be added to 400 ml of a solution that containing 15% alcohol to change the concentration of alcohol in the mixtures of 32%. It has been asked in SSC examination paper. The options we have 60 ml, 68 ml, 100 ml and 128 ml. So we go ahead for the same. How much pure alcohol has to be added to 400 ml of a solution containing 15% alcohol to change the concentration of alcohol in the mixture to 32%, which has been asked in SSC examination paper. We go ahead for the same. So quantity of alcohol in 400 ml of solution we have quantity of alcohol in 400 ml solution equals to 15 upon 100 into 400 ml equals to 60 ml. So quantity of water equals to 400 minus 60 ml equals to 340 ml. Let X ml of alcohol be added. Then 60 plus X upon 400 plus X equals to 32 upon 100, which is 6000 plus 100x equals to 12800 plus 32x 68x equals to 6800, x equals to 100. That we have as an answer. We'll go ahead for the next question. That is the another important question here, and that is the 231st question. Question is, milk contains 5% water. What quantity of pure milk should be added to 10 liters of milk to reduce this to 2%? That has been asked in bank PU question paper. The options we have 5 liters, 7 liters, 15 liters cannot be determined, and none of these. So milk contains 5% water. What quantity of pure water pure milk should be added to 10 liters of milk to reduce this to 2%. That has been asked in your bank PO question paper. Options, as I told you, 5 liter, 7 liter, 15 liter cannot be determined, none of these. So we go ahead for the solution here. Quantity of water in 10 liters. Quantity of water in 10 liters equals to 5% of 10 liters equals to 0.5 liters. So let X liters of pure milk be added, then 0.5 upon 10 plus X equals to 2 upon 100, that is 2x equals to 30 and x equals to 15. So we have your x equals to 15 will be the right answer for this question as well. We'll go ahead for the next, is your 232nd 32th question of the session that we have to discuss here. So to 32th question we have here that the quantity of water in ml needed to reduce 9 ml shaving lotion containing 50% alcohol to a lotion containing 30% alcohol is. Option is 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we go ahead here. The quantity of water in ml needed to reduce 9 ml shaving lotion containing 50% alcohol to a lotion containing 30% alcohol is that we have. So we find it out for the same. Quantity of alcohol in 9 ml lotion. Quantity of alcohol in 9 ml lotion goes to 50 upon 100 into 9 ml, which is equals to 4.5 ml. Let water to be added be x milliliter, then 4.5 upon 9 plus x equals to 30 upon 100 to 70 plus 30x equals to 450 and x equals to 6 ml that we have as an answer here. So we go ahead for the next question. We talk about it, which will be another important one. To a sugar solution of 3 liter containing 40% sugar, 1 liter of water is added. The percentage of the sugar in the new solution is that we have to talk about the options. We have 13, 1 by 3%, 15%, 30% and 33%. So we go ahead for the same. 233rd question. So to a sugar solution of 3 liters containing 40% sugar, 1 liters of solution, 1 liter of water is added. The percentage of sugar in the new solution is that what we have here, and even though we have to talk about it. So options, as I told you here only, we'll go ahead for the solution and that what we have to talk about it. So with the same, quantity of sugar (40 upon 100 into 3 kg, which is equals to 1.2 kg. So new percentage equals to 1.2 upon 4 into 100%, that is equals to 30%. We have as an answer here. Now we go ahead for the next question, which is going to be an important one, and that has been asked in CBI examination paper. So we go ahead for 234th question of the session. The question we have: one type of liquid contains 20% water, and the second type of liquid contain 35% of water. A glass is filled with 10 parts. A glass is filled with 10 parts of first liquid and 4 parts of second liquid. The percentage of water in the new mixture in the glass is, that is being asked in CBI examination paper. So options, as I told you, 20%, 24 2 by 7%, 37% and 40%. So we go ahead for the same. So required percentage goes to 20% of 10 plus 35% of 4 upon 10 plus 4 into 100, 3.4 upon 14 into 100%, 24 2 by 7% here, that we have as an answer. Now we have another more questions that what we have to deal with it, but here we can end up with this only, so that you will get to know about moreover about another questions and other classes that what we are dealing here. And of course this is begin the class is your 234th question we had done here, and we have to discuss many of the question left. Of course that is been 235th question here that we have to discuss in the next coming class of 86th here. So with this we're going to end up with, and before ending it off, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go ahead with like, share and subscribe to our channel, so that many and maximum people can get the information at one time, and you can also enjoy the video as well. Other than quantitative aptitude, we had done your sociology and software engineering, and we had done your chemistry, where we had completed your unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, unit 5, unit 6, unit 7, unit 8, unit 9 as well. After talking about that, we had done your logarithms, anti-log conversions with their limits, symbols, and their atomic molar masses, of course. And after talking about that, yes, we had done your which is been we had dealing with CBI, which is computer-based mathematical statistical decay. We had done understanding the human being comprehensively, the human aspiration and its fulfillment. And then we had done unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, unit 5 with their 2 marks possible questions. We had done your ER diagram. We are dealing with English vocabulary as well. Even though we had done your reasoning, in that we had done general elaborated logic reasoning, which was the part of verbal reasoning. In our verbal reasoning, we had done series and logic, classification, analytical reasoning, image, water image, embedded figure, completions of incomplete pattern, figure matrix, paper forging, paper cutting, rule detection, grouping of political figures, cubes and dice, dot situation, figure formation, analysis, and practice question set as well. In terms of quantitative aptitude, that has been divided into two, which is with arithmetical ability and your data interpretation. In arithmetical ability, we had our operations on numbers, as differential of numbers, decimal fractions, simplifications, square roots and cube roots, averages, problems on numbers, sums and ranges, surds and indices, and percentage, that is be the 10th topic. After completing that, we will start discussing about profit and loss, ratio and proportion, partnership, chain rule, time and work, pipe assistance, time and distance, problems on trade, molds and steels, allegations of issues, simple interest, compound interest, logarithm, area, volume and surface area, phrases and games of skills, calendars, clocks, transistors, permutation, combination, probability to discard, bankers discard, height and distance, or may not series as well. In data interpretation, we have to cover up the tabulation, bar graphs, pie charts, and line graphs. So here we're going to add up with. So Before starting with this, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go ahead with like, share and subscribe our channel so that many maximum people can get the information at once, and even you can also enjoy the video as well. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion in the comment box. Thank you.